us. We have more breaking updates also coming in of the details of the bail conditions that have been set by the top court for Arvind Kejriwal. Some of the bail conditions include that the Delhi Chief Minister cannot sign official files, that Arvind Kejriwal shall not visit the CM office, and that there should be no comment on his role in the Liquorgate case. Harish, explain the details of the conditions that have been set by the Supreme Court. This comes at a time when the Supreme Court earlier today had also mentioned that he is an elected representative. He has been in jail for over 90 days, and it's up to Arvind Kejriwal to decide whether he should continue as the Chief Minister or not. But his bail conditions quite clearly say that he cannot visit the CM office.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. It's perfectly in tune with the observation made by the Supreme Court while granting him interim bail. The Supreme Court said that the Supreme Court may not be in a position to ask him not to hold the post any longer, but said that we have entirely left it to him. We are not ordering that he should not continue the CM post, but very significant observations in the detailed judgment, which says that the bail conditions which will remain same that we had ordered on in fact on 10 May 2024 while allowing him bail for campaigning. The conditions is very important. It says he shall not visit the office of the Chief Minister and the Delhi Secretariat, and more important, he is bound by the statement made on his behalf that he shall not sign official files unless it is required and necessary for obtaining clearance / approval of the LG of Delhi. Very, very important, Pratibha, here, because it is in tune with what the Supreme Court observed, that we are conscious that Arvind Kejriwal is an elected leader and the Chief Minister of Delhi, a post holding importance and influence. We have also referred to the allegations. While we do not give any direction, since we are doubtful whether the court can direct an elected leader to step down or not function as the Chief Minister or as Minister, very significantly, Pratibha, the Supreme Court says we leave it to Arvind Kejriwal to take a call, and larger bench of the Supreme Court, which will further hear the matter if deemed appropriate, can frame questions and decide the conditions that can be imposed by the court in such cases. So, in fact, the Supreme Court has taken this issue very seriously, so it means that the Supreme Court has also put it in its written order, this issue of morality, probity and ethics, whether Chief Minister Kejriwal can continue in his post in these situations when ED is probing him. He has already spent so many days in jail, and also CBI
for the Delhi Chief Minister. The Supreme Court says it's up to him to decide. Harish, thank you for joining us with those details.